Clean air has found a relentless advocate in the European Union. Within 22 years, numerous emissions limiting European standards have been implemented and have reduced nitrous oxide emissions by 97% and solid particles by 98%. The flue gas cleaning process has been widely implemented with the use of systems like selective catalytic reduction, using an aqueous urea solution known as AdBlue, which helps decompose hazardous nitrous oxides to nitrogen and steam, which are not harmful to the environment. Thanks to these regulations, we will all be able to breathe cleaner air. As required by the flue gas emission regulations, all newly manufactured vehicles provided with selective catalytic reduction systems, that is, trucks, passenger cars, agriculture and construction industry vehicles, trains, barges, ships, as well as equipment used in industry, power plants, heat and power generation plants, incineration plants, coking plants, cement mills, will need AdBlue constantly. Grupa Azoty, one of the key capital groups in the fertilizer chemical industry in Europe, bravely takes up the challenge. And as the biggest manufacturer of urea in the region, it offers a 32.5% solution of urea, AdBlue, under its own brand, Noxy. Grupa Azoty and Noxy guarantee the highest quality AdBlue, manufactured directly from a pure urea solution to be used for technical purposes only. Meeting the expectations of the European Union and the needs of the industry, Grupa Azoty offers more than Noxy. It offers an entire complex product line. Rednox. The Rednox product line, depending on the reduction process applied in the customer's equipment, it offers dedicated urea solutions or ammonia water. The Rednox line includes Noxy AdBlue, 32.5% urea solution, that is, a product which reduces the emissions generated by vehicles. Lycam, ammonia water 25%, and Pulnox, 35%, 40%, and 45% urea solutions. Products dedicated to the reduction of impurities generated in high-emission industries related to power plants, heat and power generation plants, incineration plants, coking plants, cement mills. Being the biggest manufacturer of urea in the region, Grupa Azoty has the manufacturing abilities necessary to meet the growing demand of the domestic market, as well as that of neighboring markets. This is how flue gas is cleaned in the SCR system with the Noxy additive. In the SCR, which is the catalytic reduction system used in modern compression ignition, diesel, engines, Noxy is injected upstream the catalyst in the exhaust system. There it is transformed into ammonia and carbon dioxide. In the catalyst, ammonia reacts with nitrous oxides, which results in the generation of non-hazardous nitrogen and steam, finally emitted to atmosphere. However, Noxy is much more than AdBlue of the highest quality, significantly more than a 32.5% solution of the technically clean urea. Noxy is, first of all, a complementary solution of Grupa Azoty, a chain of independent values provided by Grupa Azoty through elaboration of an up-to-date solution. Starting from the advanced strict process procedure, through the quality confirmed by an accredited laboratory, up to the partner-like customer service. Noxy is production process 24 hours a day in 3 locations in Poland, constant access to the product, 3 production centers, dedicated production plant integrated with ammonia and urea production, relevant production and logistic capacities, arrangement of any additional shipments, on-time deliveries, emergency assistance actions, short reaction time in emergency situations, regular driver training, detailed instructions for loading and deliveries, flexibility and cooperation with customers. Such a broad scope of activities is possible thanks to the potential of Grupa Azoty, its constantly broadened experience in manufacturing and supervising of the delivery chain, as well as the logistic procedures. Together with Noxy AdBlue, Grupa Azoty and its Noxy licensed distributors provide necessary and required information and technical expertise support. Grupa Azoty, thanks to its manufacturing and logistic procedures and abilities, is ready to meet the constantly growing demand for AdBlue. Grupa Azoty, supported by its licensed distributor of Noxy, is able to supply Noxy in bulk in dedicated road tankers, in various packaging to any destination in Poland and Europe. The product is supplied by professional drivers with the use of specially prepared road tankers dedicated to Noxy handling only, with guaranteed quality as well as in compliance with the ISO 22241 standard. The road tankers for Noxy are equipped with calibrated unloading appliances. The Noxy offer includes full tanker delivery in bulk, partially filled tanker delivery in bulk, product packaged in containers 1,000 liters, drums 200 to 220 liters, cans and bottles 1 liter to 30 liters, containers to store Noxy. Fulfillment of the orders for Noxy is compliant with the particular dedicated procedures for tankers loading at the Noxy units at Grupa Azoty and Noxy unloading at the dedicated delivery points. Drivers delivering the Noxy supplies are professionals. Professionalism, good manners, and a sense of duty are the main features of each driver delivering Noxy. Each driver planning his route cares about the customer's time and availability to deliver the product on time. Early notice about the oncoming delivery saves the customers and the driver's time. Each driver is good at planning. This enables him to make deliveries on time and guarantees the safety of the product during shipment and unloading. Restrictive standards for manufacturing, storage, and transportation are completed by Grupa Azoty with regular training to make each link of the Noxy chain adjusted to dynamically changing market situations. The several years of experience of Grupa Azoty in the manufacture and supply of each segment of the market is the guarantee of the highest quality of the product being supplied, on-time execution of orders, as well as customer service performed at the highest level of professionalism. We are able to provide our customers with the highest quality of product, unquestionable compliance with the provisions of ISO 22241, issued quality certificate serves as confirmation, and effective logistics of delivery. Application of Noxy is not only a meeting of the requirements of applicable flue gas emission standards, Euro 4, 5, and 6, and a reduction of the harmful emissions of substances into the atmosphere, resulting in an 80% reduction of solids and a 60% reduction of nitrous oxides as compared to vehicles operated in conformity with Euro 3 standards. Application of Noxy also results in approximately 3 to 5% lower consumption of fuel, depending on the vehicle type and standards they meet, 3 to 4% by engines meeting the requirements of Euro 4 and 5% by engines according to Euro 5. The savings in fuel consumption of the latest models of compression ignition, diesel engines make up for the incurred costs. Application of Noxy provides an opportunity to maintain vehicle smooth operation periods, or even to extend them. Application of Noxy increases the value of a vehicle during its sale and lowers the fees for using EU motorways. Generally, using Noxy, we are all heading for clean air. Noxy, heading for clean air.